This video is sponsored by Jada Dev, a store of high-quality scripts and maps. Store link in the description.
Hey everyone, welcome to Zexus Development. In this video, we are going to install a game station script into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is the script which are going to install into FiveM server. The link will be in the description below. The script will cost you around $40. You just have to click over here and purchase the script into your CFX portal and download the script. After downloading it, we need to extract the file into our FiveM resources. So I'll be extracting it over here. Just like this. Now open the file. Go to installation. First, we need to install the SQL of the script. For that, just double click over here. Open your head SQL. Select your server, then click on run. Now open the inventory images. Then copy this image from here. Then paste it into your inventory script. So I'll be pasting into my aux inventory. For that, go to aux inventory, web, images, then paste it over here. Now open the aux inventory folder. Now open the aux items.lua. Then copy this line of code from here. Go to aux inventory, data, then items.lua. Now paste it over here. Just like this. Now go to config, then config.lua. So this is the configuration of the script over here. If you want to provide the game station to a particular person, then you can enable that from here. And over here, you have to provide the identifier. So I'll be keeping it default for now. Now open the games.lua. So these are the list of the games over here. So that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in the server now. And this is the game station which we have installed into our FiveM server. Now let's place it next to the television. For that, use the item. Now with these controls, you can place the game station wherever you want. After everything is done, click on enter. So this is the game station over here. Now use your target eye. Then click on turn on screen. So as you can see, our screen is started now. Now again use your target eye on the console. Then click on grab controller. If you start it first time, you have to provide the username over here. So our game session is started now, as you can see. And on the right side, you can see all the controls. And these are the games over here. Now if you press E, you can enter into the full screen. After selecting the game, click on enter. Now click on buy to get the game. After that, click on play game. So our game is starting now, as you can see. We can purchase more games and add them to our library. So this is the browser over here. And this is the game library. And by clicking over here, we can add more players with their username. With this option, we can play multiplayer games with our friends. If you press X, it will drop the controller. So you can add more browser games in the games.lua. So yes guys, that's it for today's video. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.